Jasmine, and welcome back to another video. Today we are here to talk about a product that I sell on my website, lushhairsuite.com, and it is this bun wig that I have on. I wanted to make a quick video to address different aspects of this product because I know there are a few people who are interested, but they don't know what they're getting themselves into and maybe, you know, how to wear it or how to style it or whatever. So I'm going to address all of that in this video. So this is called the Instant Bun Wig on my website. And this is the braided wig. It's the most basic option and it being the cheapest option, but also the first one that I released. I also have a bun wig that's made with a Senegalese twist, such as this one. And I have another one that's made with Bobby Boss faux locks. So those are the three options that I sell. They all come on this spandex dome cap, and the braids or the twists or the locks, they all come to this seam right here. And they're put up in a bun that when it comes to you, the bun is already made. However, you'll see that you can wear it in a ponytail and then you have the option of retwisting it yourself. And each bun wig also comes with an adjustable elastic band. With an adjustable elastic band, it's kind of like a bra strap that makes it fit more snug on your head without being uncomfortable. So you can switch that up as time goes along. But that's how each bun wig is constructed. And I have on the braided one. Also, because the wigs are made like this, it's meant for you to wear a headband around it or some type of band. You could wear it behind your edges, like further back, and have, you know, baby hairs out. Or you could wear it right on your hairline like I do mine. And it's really all about preference. And each bun wig also comes with a headband. Most of them come with a black one just to start you out. These can be found at your beauty supply store. They're only about maybe $3. But you can go get plenty of options to match your needs. So I like to wear either these with the bun wig or just a regular scarf that you would tie, like the one I have on. So that's how you wear it. Basically, you would put the elastic around your head first. If you're used to wigs with elastic bands, then you know that you put the elastic band on first and then you pull the ponytail back. So now we're gonna get into how you style the wigs. So mine is up in a bun now and I'm about to take it loose. So the first style you could wear the bun wig in is a basic ponytail. And with that, you could just put the elastic around the base of the ponytail and just wear it down like this. Of course, you could wear it to the back. And the bun ponytail, or however you choose to style it, is meant to be worn up. So of course you can't pull it back or anything like that. The wig is constructed so that all of the braids automatically go up. As you can see, you don't have to worry about losing any of the braids or any of the braids falling out of the ponytail. So that's automatic. So you can't wear it down or to the back or anything. It just automatically goes up. So this is how your ponytail would look. So a ponytail is the first style. Okay, so now that I've taken my bun down, I'm gonna show you 3 to 4 different ways that you can retwist it if you have no idea how to put a bun up. So the simplest way to me is to take your braids and twist them this way. And then when you have the base, if you're not used to styling braids, you could take a small rubber band and secure the end. But basically, once you twist it, you're gonna go around the base of that ponytail and continue to twist it. And then once you get to the very end, you will secure that under the bun. And now take a ponytail holder. I prefer these because they go around a couple times without issue. And that's tight. No bobby pins needed. So that is the first way you can retwist your bun. Now the second way is to actually do a 2-strand twist. So if you don't quite get that whole method, you'll just 2-strand twist it and then repeat that step. And then you don't really have to worry about these braids getting old because they last pretty long. Now, because this is just force of habit, I'm still gonna twist it. And then do it the same way I told you to do the last way. Secure it. And that is the second way to retwist your bun. And as you see, it puts it up a little bit higher, but same basic technique. The third way is to braid the ponytail. And then that braid puts it up even higher. Also, you can totally wear it down like this. And if you wear it in a ponytail, you can wear it to the back. You can also get very creative with these. I'm gonna leave a couple braids out. And let's say if I do wear it in a ponytail, so like a braided base, so you can do a lot with your instant bun wig. Speaking of getting creative, I've also taken just some crochet braids, the braids that are used to make the bun wig, and I put it on a ponytail holder. This one is looser than I would like it, but you could just put it on a small ponytail holder and you can use this to help make your bun bigger. So when you consider all the options and the styles that you can get out of one wig that's super easy to wear is pretty much a no-brainer. I have to be to work at 6 in the morning, and 9 times out of 10, I'm putting on this wig before I put on a regular closure wig, just because the nature of my job, just because we're in quarantine. It's just a very easy thing to wear, especially in the summertime when it's warmer. And it's also a very quick style to do. So these wigs are super convenient and it's totally worth it, which is why I thought I should do this video in the first place, because there may be people who have bought them who don't even realize that you could do all this with them. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. But also don't forget to check out lushhairsuite.com, and I'll see you next time. Bye.